Unraveling the Ocean's Family, the Whale Pod. Hello, and welcome to our English Language Discovery channel. Today, we're diving into the deep blue sea to explore a fascinating phrase, whale pod. Whether you're an English language learner or simply curious about marine life, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together to understand what a whale pod is, and how this term fits into the English language. Imagine the vast ocean, home to the largest creatures on Earth. Now, picture these giants swimming together, bonded by social connections. This is what we call a whale pod. In biological terms, a pod is a group of whales that live together, travel together, and often hunt together. It's similar to a family or a close-knit community for humans. Whales are known for their sophisticated social structures, and a pod can be considered their support system. It consists of family members and sometimes friends, ranging from just a few individuals to a group of 40 or more. Pods are essential for the survival and well-being of whales. They teach young whales important life skills, offer protection from predators, and help each other find food. The concept of a whale pod is not just a scientific term, it also carries a beautiful metaphor for cooperation, unity, and social connection. In English, the word pod itself brings to mind images of something small and enclosed, which is a bit ironic considering the vast open ocean where these large creatures live. It's an excellent example of how language can paint a picture or capture an idea. The phrase, whale pod, might conjure up scenes of majestic whales breaching the ocean's surface or communicating with complex songs. Beyond its literal meaning, the term pod has found its way into everyday English. People might refer to a pod of close friends or colleagues, drawing a parallel to the communal nature of whales. So, by understanding the phrase, whale pod, learners can also grasp a bit more about human social structures and how we use language to draw comparisons to the natural world. We hope you've enjoyed this swim through the language and life of whales. The whale pod is more than just a group of whales. It's a testament to the social bonds that are vital across species, including our own. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language insights. Until next time, keep exploring and let the wonders of language and nature inspire you.